Hey guys, how's it going? This is going to be a video of my new temp gun that I got. There's the specs there. We're going to see how hot this tractor gets. I just cut my grass here, and we're going to see how hot it got. So, 100. Let's see if we can try to get you focused on both. Okay, so you can see the laser there. It takes the temperature a little below the laser, so we got 100 on top of the plastic. Gas tank, we got 86. Let's check. Exhaust pipe, we got 122. Check right on there. That's right where it comes out. We got like 140 or 240. I'm sorry. That's the muffler, 334. Because keep in mind the exhaust there has got some fan blowing on it. The muffler down there doesn't. 320, 340, 330, something like that. The hood plastics in the front, we got 100. Just get real close. This is probably picking up. We got 90, 91 with the hood plastic. From up here, it's probably picking up heat off the engine itself. How about the valve? 2, 1. Got 160 on the valve cover. Oh, my dad's here. Anyway, yeah, so that's a pretty cool gun. It's got Celsius and Fahrenheit. It's got a light. So, yeah, very nice gun. Let me get you the box and the specs and stuff on it. Hey guys, John Deere 50D here. You're watching John Deere 50D on YouTube TV. Okay, so here's the information on it. It's a BAFX product, non-contact infrared thermometer, range of negative 58 Fahrenheit to 1022 Fahrenheit. It has the battery with it. I'll put the link in the description to this. You could go check it out. Temperature range, here it is in Celsius, negative 50 to positive 550. Takes a 9-volt battery. Reads temperatures in Celsius, Fahrenheit. Backlight can be turned on or off. I will start off in 7 seconds. You can read this if you want. Product, brought to you by blah blah blah, yada yada yada. Some bits I'm looking at. So yeah. Typical battery life, 12 to 22 hours, depending on how it is used. Here are some other ones on the bottom. They look about the same, almost. Just recommended. Here are the review stats on it. So most of them have good reviews. So yeah, it works pretty good for what I need it for. I'm just watching some Gold Rush new season tonight, and yeah. So there it is, guys. Like I said, the link will be in the description to check it out. Here's a couple of little pictures here. There's the package it comes in. There's the other side. So yeah, there's the no contact thermometer gun. So thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe.